This is Bali style.
Yup, was hot. What the fish was I thinking?
Ta-da! Finally, the food is ready. I bet you guys got hungry watching. For my order, ikan talapia. Dish includes crispy cracker, their authentic Indonesian sambal, together with cucumber and mint leaves. Wow! Just check the fish, guys. Marinated with Bali Indonesia style. Very tasty. We also have the cumi or squid, one whole squid sliced in 2 pieces. And finally, ikan siakap or sea bass. Here is a closer look. The skin is caramelized with sauce and the meat is well cooked. And by the way, if you love travel and food, please subscribe and hit the bell for more videos. This is a Bali style, spicy and sweet, but overall, the sweetness dominates. If you love grilled seafood, you should try this. You can also order via online, check their website. I will include under description. The meat of sea bass is light and tender, while tilapia is thicker or meatier. Squid is sliced into pieces. The taste is tender and also marinated, so I am pretty sure you don't need any dipping sauce for this too. At first, I thought price is too high, but after serving, I was surprised how big the fish is. So, is the price worth it? I leave that to you. The food is awesome! Bali Bakar is now one of our new favorite. Join me and let's discover more food and places.
If this is mint, I'll put it in my drink. Mint is nice with drink. Like mojito.
It's mint, right?
It's mint. You can try.